Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to study general knowledge GK. So children, let's start. Two books is here. New general knowledge update, The Unknown. Okay. Today class work, see here. The new general knowledge update chapter 10, 11, 12, pages 14, 15, 16. The Unknown. Book name The Unknown, chapter 6, 7, 8, pages 9 up to 17. Means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. So children, open the page first. Page. See here the new general knowledge updates book. Now children, we will be doing revision of the new general knowledge updates. Okay. Page 14 and 15. See here 14, chapter 10, 15, chapter 11. Page 14. See here. Wild animals. Okay. Wild animals. Recognize the following wild animals. Tick write the correct names. So see the picture and correct animal choose. All animals is wild animals. Okay. So first one you see largest land animal. Three option is here. Number 1 tiger. See here tiger, lion, elephant. Okay, tiger, lion, elephant. So correct option you tick here. See the picture? Yes, number 1 picture wild animal. Question is largest land animal. So elephant is the right option. Okay, 3 option is here. First answer is elephant. Largest land animal's name is elephant. Okay, and spelling also learn. Okay, number 2 question. See tallest land animal. 3 option is here. Leopard, giraffe, monkey. So tallest land animal. See here the picture giraffe. So tick giraffe. Answer giraffe. Number 3, see the picture first, lion picture. So question is, king of the jungle. King of the jungle, who? Who? King of the jungle? Yes, lion. So where is lion? Yes. Okay. Next, number 4, question, animal without legs. You see the snake, and you know snake no legs. Okay, snake had no legs. So tick cow, snake, camel. 3 option is here, so you tick snake. Okay, next question 5, animal with a pouch. See the picture, pouch. Animal with a pouch. Elephant, kangaroo, lion. You know kangaroo, so answer is kangaroo. Okay, kangaroo answer, so you tick. Okay, next number 6 question, largest of all apes. Bear, giraffe, gorilla. So answer is gorilla. Okay, so practice wild animals name. Question largest land animals, tallest land animal, king of the jungle, animal without legs, animal with a pouch, largest of all apes. Okay, apps. Next page. Next, see page 11, not page 11, sorry, page 15, chapter 11, selecting healthy food. Okay, selecting healthy food. Some food, see here, some food may be tasty but not good for health. Such food, okay, such food are called junk food. Okay, children, and we should avoid eating them. Help Nitika to select a healthy menu. Look at each picture and write the name of the food item. Tick right for healthy food and cross the junk food. You may use the help box. So help box is here. So you may use, okay, help box. Number 1, okay, pizza. Pizza is a healthy food? No, it's junk food. Okay, so healthy food you tick right and junk food you cross. Okay, so pizza, you write here pizza. Okay, name you write first Pizza. Pizza. Pizza number 2, but pizza is not healthy food, it's not good for health, so you cross. Okay, cross. Number 1, idli. Okay, idli and sambar, it's good for health, so help box you help, you write here idli and sambar. Okay, write here sambar. BHAR, sambar. Okay, idli and sambar is healthy food. Number 3, see here salad also healthy food, so you tick here and write here salad. Okay, SALAD, salad. So children, you see the help box. Okay, I just tell you the spelling, name and spelling. Next picture you see here, number 4, biryani. Biryani is not good for health. Okay, tasty but not good for health, so you write here biryani and okay, so it's cross and write here biryani. Okay, biryani. Okay. Number 5, see burger. Okay, burger also not good for health, so you write here burger. Okay, BURGER, burger. Okay, next picture see here, dal roti is very good for health, so write here dal roti. Okay, DAL, dal roti, ROTI, roti. Okay, number 7, cheesecake. Not good for health, it's junk food. Okay, I cross number 7 and you write here cheesecake. Okay, cheesecake, CHEESECAKE. Okay, cheesecake. Number 8, fruits. It's very good for health. So you write here fruits. I tick right. fruits, fruits. Okay. Last one you see, it's patties. Also junk food. It's patties. Okay. I cross here and it's junk food. So I write here patties. 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 Okay. So I hope everyone understood. It is selecting healthy food is very important. Name also, every food name practice. Okay. Next page, the new general knowledge updates. Page 16 and chapter 12, fun riddles. Okay. Solve the riddles with the help of given pictures. See here the given picture left side. Draw lines to match the correct answer. Okay. First one you see, number 1, what has a neck but no head? Very important chapter. Okay, what has a neck but no head? You find it. Yes, G, water bottle. Okay, G, water bottle. I write here G, option G, answer, and water bottle. Okay, water bottle. Next, number 2, what has a face and no hands but no arms or legs? What has a face and two hands? Sorry, what has a face and two hands but no arms or legs? Okay, it's clock. Right, clock. Okay, where is clock? Number 2, clock. Okay, and I write here A, option A, answer. Okay, next 3, what gets number 3, uh, number 3. Okay, uh, what gets wetter as it dries? What get wetter as it dries? So this is option is number 3, B. What get wetter as it dries? So B, answer B. Number 4, what has to be broken after using it? Number 4, what has to be broken after using it? Broken. So egg. Okay. E. Option E. Egg. Next, number 5, who has one eye but cannot see? You know, who has one eye but cannot see? It's needle. D. Option D, answer. Number 6, which animal is best at cricket? Yes, number 6, which animal is best at cricket? Yes, bat. Okay, I write here number H. Okay, H. Number 7, which bow can't be tired. Which bow can't be tired? Yes. Can't be tired. Rainbow. Okay. Rainbow. Option C. Okay. Option C. Number 8. What goes up when the rain comes down? Number 8. Yes. Number 8. Umbrella. Okay. Number 8. Answer I write here F. Okay. So children, it's very important page. New general knowledge update. Practice. 3 pages. 3 pages 14, 15, 16. Okay. Next, the unknown. Take out the unknown book. The unknown book. Now children, we will be doing division again of the unknown. Okay. So page, see here the page and chapter name, my country. Okay. Chapter name, my country. See, my country, India. India is my country. Okay, I am an Indian. Option helping box is here. Any problem, see here. So write write Indian. I N D. Okay, D I AN. Okay, Indian. Next, India is the S-NTH largest country in the world. So you write here 7th largest country in the world. So SEVENTH, 7th largest country in the world. Okay. Next, India is also called known as B-A-T and Hindustan. So right here Bharat and Hindustan. So Bharat, B-H-A-R-A-T, Bharat. So India is also called known as Bharat and Hindustan. Okay. Next, Indian became independent from British rule of 15th. See here, August 1947. So A-G-ST. You write here August. Okay. A U G U S T. August 1947. Next, N-D-I is the capital of India. So write here New Delhi. So N-E-W, New Delhi, D-E-L-H-I, Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. Okay. So my country practice, children. Next page, national symbols. Okay. say national symbols. Again, you see here children, helping box is here. So first one, T dash dash A dash dash A is our national flag. Okay. So you write here Tiranga, T I I R A, okay, R A N G A, okay, NGA. Tiranga is our national flag. Next, see here A dash dash O dash A C dash A dash R A is our national emblem. So Ashok Chakra, right here Ashok Chakra, AS HOKA, Ashoka Chakra, CHAKRA, Ashoka Chakra is our national emblem. Okay. Next, J dash N dash G dash N dash M dash N dash is our national anthem. You know, see here Jana Gana Mana. So right here JANA, Jana, okay, GANA, Gana, Mana, 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 Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Next, see Vande Mataram. So V dash dash D dash M dash dash AR dash dash is our national song. So see here Vande Mataram. Okay, help box. Vande Mataram. VANDE, Vande Mataram, MAT, okay, ARAM, Mataram is our national song. Vande Mataram is our national song. Any problem? See helping box. Okay. Next, L. See, next, sorry, I dash D dash A dash. Okay, R dash dash double E is our national currency. So you know, children, our currency is Indian rupee. Okay, so I write here INDIAN, Indian rupee, RUPEE, rupee. Okay. Okay. N. Okay, Indian rupee. Any problem? See here Indian rupee spelling. Okay, Indian, INDIAN, Indian rupee. Okay. Next page 11. See, children, See the picture first. Lotus, is our national flower. So spelling is here. Lotus. Right here, lotus. Lotus. Okay. S. It's S. Lotus is our national flower. Okay. Next, children. Uh, Next, mango. See the picture, mango. So see here, mango spelling MANGO, mango. So you write here MANGO. Mango is our national fruit. Okay. Next, tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Any problem? See here. Tiger spelling TIGER. Tiger is our national animal. Next picture, bird. See peacock. Peacock is our national bird. So peacock spelling is here PEACO. Okay, COCK. CK. Peacock is our national animal. Next, banyan is our national tree. See the picture, banyan tree. B-A-N-Y-A-N. Is our national tree. Okay. Next, see the picture. See Ganga river. See Howrah Bridge. Ganga is our national river. So you write here Ganga. G-A, spelling G-A-N-N-G-A. Ganga is our national river. It's very important. Okay. National symbols. Next page. Page 12. Helpers around us. Number 1, helping hand. See here. The F dash dash M dash R grows rice, grain, vegetables and fruits for us. Who? Yes, farmer. Farmer, you write here farmer. F-A-R-R-M-E-R. Farmer. Okay. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. Any problem? You see here. Next, number 2, the dash. See here, D dash dash T dash R means, see the picture, doctor. Okay, treats us when we are sick. He gives medicine to cure us. So the doctor treats us when we are sick. He gives medicine to cure us. So you write here doctor. D-O-C-C. Okay, not E. It's C. C-T-O-R. Doctor. Next, number 3. The nurse. See the picture. N-R-E means nurse takes care of the sick people in a hospital or at home. So, nurse. Right here, nurse. N-U-R-S-E. Okay. S-E. Nurse takes care of the sick people in a hospital or at home. Any problem? See here, helping box, helping hand. Okay. Next, 4. See the C dash dash M dash S T sells medicine. Who sells? So chemist. Chemist sells medicine. So you write here chemist. 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 The chemist sells medicine. 5. The, see the picture, P dash L dash C dash M dash N catches thieves and those who break the law. It's very important. Who? Policeman. So write here policeman, POLICEMAN. Okay, policeman. The policeman catches thieves and those who break the law. So I hope everyone understood. Practice this page. Okay, 11, 12. Next page. The unknown. See, number 6 pages. I just tell you answer. Number 6. The dash sells food items and other necessary things that we use in the house. So you know children, it's grocer. Okay, right here grocer. Okay, 6 answer. Number 6 answer grocer. Okay. Six answer grocer. I write here just number 6 grocer. Okay. The grocer sells food item and other necessary things that we use in the house. Number 7, see the picture. The postman, P dash dash T dash dash N. So postman brings letters and parcel to our doorstep. So postman, number 7. Okay, answer. Number 8, the T dash dash L dash R stitches our clothes. So you know tailor. Tailor stitches our clothes. Number 8 answer. Okay. Number 8. Next. Number 9, the E dash T dash dash C dash AN installs or repairs the electrical fittings and appliances. Okay. So electrical fittings and appliances. Okay. So answer number 9. Answer electrician. Answer. Number 10, see the picture. C dash R dash E dash T dash R makes tables, chairs, cupboards and any furniture from wood. He also makes doors and windows for our house. So who? Carpenter. You write here carpenter. Answer. Okay. Next page. Page 13. Page 14. It's page 14. See number 11. Helping hands here. The cob. See the cobbler. See the cobbler makes shoes for us. So you write here cobbler. COBBLER. Number 11 answer, cobbler. Okay. Number 12 answer, the B dash R dash AR cuts our hair at the salon. So 12 answer, barber. Where is barber? Yes. Number 12 answer, barber. Okay. Number 13, the T dash dash C dash dash R teaches us in the school. So who? Teacher. So answer 13. The teacher teaches us in the school. 14. The D dash dash B dash R drives us from one place to another place through our vehicles. So the driver. 14. 14. The driver drives us from one place to another place through our vehicles. 15. The C dash dash F chef makes delicious food for us, especially in a hotel, restaurant, etc. So chef. 15. Answer 15. So its chapter is complete. Children practice. Okay. Next page, see here, activity page. Okay, it's very easy. See the picture. Activities page. See the picture first. Kitchen. Okay. Drawing room. So first one, see. Write down what we do in each of the following room. So do it on your own. Kitchen, drawing room, bedroom, dining room, bathroom. Okay, and option is here. You know, kitchen, cooking. Answer cooking. Okay, A. Drawing room. Okay, drawing room. Yes, sitting. Drawing room, sitting. Bedroom. Yes, sleeping. Bedroom, sleeping. Dining room, eating. Dining room, eating. Okay, and bathroom, taking bath. Okay. Number 2 option, question, see the pictures and write the name. Tell how many of those you have. You see the picture here. Okay, eyes, eye. You see the picture, eye, ear, nose, lip. Okay, finger and leg. So do it on your own. Okay, practice. Next page, activity. It's matching. Okay. Activity, match the picture of thing on right with the people who use them. See, A option, A picture, match B picture. Okay, so see the picture, doctor. So 3 answer, A 3. B tailor. B C teacher. Okay, D barber, and last E cobbler. So do it on your own. Okay. Activity, on your birthday you got lots of gifts. Picture of same of them are given below, color and write their names. See here, doll, bat and ball, teddy bear, balloons, and write here name. Write the name. Okay, helping box is here. So children, I hope everyone understood all pages, chapter, school diary, write your school diary, its revision, homework, new general knowledge updates, you know the books, its books name, homework, chapter 10, 11, 12, pages 14, 15, 16, and the unknown homework chapter 6, 7, 8, pages 9 up to 11. So I hope everyone understood. So practice.